Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn subject EVS-1, chapter Maps and Symbols. Try this. There are 8 different things in the picture shown above. Of these, some things are man-made while others have formed naturally. They can be classified as shown below. Natural, man-made. A river, trees, a hill, grass are naturally made. What is man made? A school, a water tower, a house, and a road. You have also made a list of the things seen in your area. Classify the items in your list into natural and man made things. So, do this activity. Let us move ahead. Always remember, man made objects are made from natural resources. For examples, we make chairs, tables, benches, etc. from the wood obtained from trees, and trees we get from nature. Here is a map shown. Can you tell? The picture above shows the area around Anju's house and school. Complete the activity below with the help of the picture. Now look at this picture and find out. Find Anju's house in the picture. You have to find out Anju's house. Find her school in the picture. Find her school in the picture. Find a route from Anju's house to her school and color it. Now you will find out Anju's house from her school and you have to use a color and color it. Note the things seen on the way from the house to the school. Now you have to note the things which you see, what you see, tree, house, post office, what you see, you have to make a note of that. You have found the route that Anju will take to go to her school. Anju passes along a narrow lane and a main road on her way to school. There are several things on both sides of the lane as well as the road. Write the directions in which the places on the narrow lane are situated. So in the previous chapter we have learned about the directions east, west, north, south, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. So you have to write the directions in which places on the narrow lane are situated. Write the directions in which the places on the main road are situated. Mention the directions in which she must turn on the way to school. So with the help of previous chapter, you can find out the direction and how to twist and turn in this map. A smaller picture of Anju's house and locality is given on the next page. However, realistic pictures of the trees and buildings are not shown in it, isn't it? We don't show the realistic trees. In their place, certain symbols are used. What these symbols represent is also mentioned against each of them. Note that some of the things seen in the locality have not been shown in this picture. Such a picture is called a sketch. Can you tell? Study the sketch and do the following. You have to read and study this sketch and you have to say the answer. Draw the symbol used to represent a house. You have to see here and you have to draw a symbol. And how to draw a symbol? That will be a small one. And you have to represent a house. Next to the symbol, write the number of times it appears in the sketch. Then you have to make a calculation that how many times the symbol of house is seen. Draw the symbol used to represent a tree. Now you have to draw a symbol to represent a tree, small tree. Can you see here, small tree? Yes. Next to the symbol, write the number of trees seen in the sketch. Now you have to count the number of trees. How many trees do you see in this sketch? List the things in Anju's locality that do not appear in this sketch. Then you have to list the things in Anju's locality which do not appear in this sketch. Now listen. We made use of different symbols while making this sketch. To convert a sketch into a map, you need to show the directions and include an index, a title, and a scale. Moving objects are not included on a map. Remember this. For example, people walking, moving vehicles, etc. We don't have to include this on the map. A winding road in an area is shown to take exactly the same turns on a map. That is how roads, rivers, railway lines are always shown on the map. Now here another activity you have to do. A map of unused house and locality is given below. When you make a map of your locality, compare it with this map. Are there any components missing in your area, in your map? Add them. Now you have to see unused house and surrounding. Direction is given, in kilometer it is given, index is given, and you can see a sketch turned into a map is drawn over here. With this I will end the first part, and remaining part we will do in the next period. Thanks for watching.